Nonghikai jing school deficit hakani ke jela Meghalaya Khlam Pynsangeh no shwa ya ke jing tumu ke jong ki ban Pynlong ya ke Jingiakhih namar ke jinglong jing man jong khnyang jing pang COVID-19 hakani ke jela ya ke ni ke Jingsaphriang kini Nonghikai Khlam bena leng ba kinong pathai kubor hakan rew tarik menta ubna ye yong arajar arpuwei
Kinong yalam jangka khasi jantia Deficit School Teachers Association kila penbena Pynsangeh ashwa ke Jingiakhih kaba kila penbena kham hashwa namar ke jinglong jingman nak jing pang COVID-19 hak jela Meghalaya. Yakni garai Pynsangeh ishwa la kershan ru ke Garo Hills Deficit School Teachers and Employees Association namar ke daw bawat ban Pynlong school tiknai ki khna ru kadang long ke bar tatien. Ban Suspend kan mau ke jing tumu ban Pynlong Jingiakhih ki Nonghikai jing school deficit kadai halor ki babon ki mat jing dawa kan thup ru ke jing pentrekam ya ke skim jing kitu ki Nonghikai school deficit ki balashong that no nakakam ke balong ru kat kum ke jing ai jing mut jong ka 5th pay commission. Nalor kani kini kinong yalam jong kani ke seng ki Nonghikai kila dawaru nak sarkar ban kentio ya ka DCRG nakalai poin san lak shakash paulak tengka bat ki weide ki jing dawa jong ki. Halor kini kimat jing dawa nakaliang jong kani ke seng jong kini Nonghikai ka rilom khasi jantia bat rilom Garo kila dawa no menteri rang ba ke jela bawat la kini ki seng kila rai ban Pynsangeh ashwai ke Jingiakhih memberi ke sarkar ke di Jingiakhih ya kini kimat jing dawa jong ki.
However, we just had an emergency meeting, and because of the pandemic and because of the spike in cases that is going on in our state, especially in other states, with the danger of having so many returnees coming home, we have said that yes, we will keep the second phase of agitation, but we will keep it at bay because there are other issues in the state that will affect the common man and especially our students. So we have decided to keep it at bay. Tingila rai bingin upshwa yakani ka second phase jungi namar ba hoat ni shitom hoat ni jenjar handrai ngi dai ningkong ki Nonghikai ki belong responsible. Nim kwa ba nalor kani ka jenjar kani ngin penjenjar samangi. And there are so many forms of agitation. Kamdai et taman pendik ya ki kena pendik ki paban pendik ki management ki bon ki forms of agitation ko ngila ban lek but ngidang ya but ngidang ya perkhat menta ka e ka senjang ka bangin ya le ban ya ka tu ka bangin arai men shwa ngin saya shang lam ki Garo Hills ngin pat ya kendo ya ki